Hi there, this is Maths Learner. We're doing some work with angles in parallel lines. So just to point out with this question here, we have two parallel lines. You can tell by they've got these arrows on them, okay? And you have some interesting things that happen with the angles that connect both sides. So let me show you what I mean. So what we've got to do here is we've got to find angle X. So there's several different connectings to this 65 over here. So if I draw a Z here, okay, I know that this angle in here is 65 degrees, okay, and that is the alternate rule, yeah, so alternate angles either side of the line are equal in parallel lines, okay? So to get the angle BFG, this is 65 and it's the alternate rule, okay? You need to write these things down to get part of these 4 marks, okay? So that's the first thing. Now, we now have an isosceles triangle in here, okay? How do I know that? Because it's got these 2 lines in here. So what do I know about an isosceles triangle? Well, the 2 base angles are the same. So this angle here at the base of the isosceles triangle is the same as this angle here, which is 65 degrees, okay? So I know that the angle FBG is 65 as well because of the isosceles triangle, okay? So you're now going to use angles in a triangle rule, okay, to work out this angle here, and then you're going to use angles on a straight line rule, okay. So I want you to have a go at doing working out that missing angle there, which is FGB, and then using that to find angle X. And you need to write down in your notes here the name of the angle and the rule that you've used. Okay, so angles in a triangle add up to, you know, and then angles on a straight line will give you X. So have a go at doing that one. So pause, have a go. Okay then, right, I'm going to have a look at question 2 here. So, similar sort of setup. I have 2 parallel lines, because I can use my alternate rule, corresponding rule, and co-interior rule, okay? And we've got an isosceles triangle again, okay? So I know that I've got this angle here 70, so I'm going to try and draw a Z again. Yes, there we go. So this angle here is 70 degrees. So I'd say that the angle FBC is equal to 70 because of the alternate rule. Okay, and this is very similar to the last question we had here. We have our isosceles triangle, yeah? So that means 2 of these angles are the same. I'll let you work that out. And you can write the angle BFC. Yeah, find out what it is, and then you can find out what X is. And remember to write what rule you use to find that angle. Okay, so pause and have a go at that. Okay, let's have a look at question 3. So, again, we have our parallel lines here, AB and CD. So we can see if we can find some Fs or Zs for alternate or corresponding co-interior ones. Okay, so we've got to find X here. Now I've got 110 here. Then I know that this angle here inside the triangle is on a straight line. Okay, so this angle here, yeah, I don't know if that's going to help us. So this angle here, which is DHF, is equal to 70 because 110 plus 70 is 180, which is a straight line. Okay. I can then work out the angle here, yes, can work out the angle here because I can draw, let me change colour so you can see what I'm talking about. Then I can draw my Z here. Yeah, so that tells me that that is the same as this one in here. So I'll write that 70 there. So then that's 70. Okay, so the angle HFA is also 70 because of the alternate rule. Okay, and then you can work out X. I'll let you think about that one. Yes, it's a little bit more difficult actually than I thought. So let's take it back a stage here. So I can work out all of that in there. Yes. I see. Right. Okay. So let's have a look at this angle. Sorry, this angle in here. This angle in here is, let me change colour so you see what I'm talking about. So here we have an X, which is vertically opposite. So this angle in here is the same as this angle in here. So this is also 42. Okay, so the angle BFD is also 42, and that's because of vertically opposite. Okay, right, then what do you see happening along the line BFA, which will help you to find out X? Yes, it's a straight line. Okay, so you're going to use your straight line rule to find out the missing angle X using the 42 and the 70. So I'll let you pause and work out X, and remember to write your rule next to it. Okay, good, going well. Question 4. So here we have, similar as question 1 and 2, we have an isosceles triangle. Okay, so I'm going to talk you through this and see what you do. So this angle here is 50. What other angle is 50 in this isosceles triangle? Yep, this one here at B is 50. Okay, so we know the angle EBF is 50 degrees because it's an isosceles triangle. Okay. Okay then, so we've got that. Now I'm going to draw this in. So we've got another. Can we work out that one there? So you can write down the angle ABE and give the rule that I've just drawn there. And then you can find X because you know these two, and this is a straight line. Okay, so have a go at doing that one there. And then finally, question 5. I've got my parallel lines here, yeah? Now, can you see the alternate with X? Yeah? Can you see it? So here, I'm going to draw it in here. Yes? So this is alternate with this. Okay? And that will help you to answer question 5. So have a go at those. Hopefully that was helpful. Yeah, thanks for listening. Bye.